Hi there. We as birth injury lawyers must prove a very important element in your case, and that is the element of causation. We always have liability to have to prove, and we always have damages to have to prove. But causation is usually where birth injury lawsuits are won or lost. And in PVL cases, periventricular leukomalacia, the most important thing on the causation is the timeline. When did the PVL actually occur? Was it during pregnancy? Was it during labor and delivery? Or was it post-delivery in the NICU? The way that we figure that out is really through the records. We find out what the radiology shows. The brain damage will show us exactly when this type of damage occurred. Different types of damage means different timing of the damage. In addition, we also look at the records themselves. We look to determine what exactly was happening. If there was a shoulder dystocia situation where the baby gets stuck in the birthing canal and the measurements on the fetal heart rate tones dropped, then we know that the brain damage or the PVL could have occurred during delivery. If perhaps the brain damage shows a different type of issue, or if in the NICU we see ventilation settings that were inaccurate or incorrect, then we know that perhaps the brain damage occurred post-delivery in the NICU. We use all of these records in order to determine a timeline of your baby's delivery, pregnancy, and injury. With that timeline, we're able to prove a very important element in your birth injury lawsuit, which is causation. If you have a child that suffered from PVL and you want to determine when exactly did that PVL actually occur, you need to speak to a birth injury lawyer to help you out and determine this timeline to get the facts straight. My name is Adam Funk, and I'm the managing partner of Funk Law Group. We handle birth injury lawsuits. I'd be happy to chat with you about your potential case free of charge.